In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install APK mod on Bluestacks 5. Before we start, a quick safety reminder. Modified APKs can be risky. Some carry malware, some try to steal accounts, and many break the rules of the apps or games they modify. Only download files from sources you truly trust and understand that using mods in online games can lead to bans. Proceed at your own discretion. First, get the APK onto your computer. Open your preferred web browser on your PC and download the APK file you want. Watch the download progress and give it a moment to finish completely. Make a note of where the file is saved, usually your downloads folder, and check that the file extension ends in .apk so you know you have the right format. Next, launch Bluestacks 5 and wait for the home screen to load. You don't need to change any settings or enable special permissions. Bluestacks lets you sideload APKs out of the box. You now have two simple ways to install. The quickest is drag and drop. Open the folder where you saved the APK, click and hold the file, and drag it straight into the Bluestacks window. As soon as you drop it, Bluestacks begins installing automatically. You'll see a brief installation prompt or progress message, and then the app's icon appears on the Bluestacks home screen when it's done. If you prefer a file picker, use the Install APK button on the right sidebar in Bluestacks. Click it to open your computer's file dialog, navigate to the folder with your APK, select the file, and click Open. Bluestacks handles the rest, just like a regular Android device. When its installation completes, the app is ready to use. Find its icon on the Bluestacks home screen and launch it as you would any other app. If you ever see an error during install, the APK may be incomplete, corrupted, or incompatible with your Bluestacks instance. Make sure you have the correct version of the app and that it's truly an APK, not a compressed package like XAPK. That's all there is to it. Download the APK, open Bluestacks 5, and install it by drag and drop or with the Install APK button. Stay cautious with modded files, keep your system protected, and always respect the rules of the apps and games you use. Thanks for watching and enjoy your app on Bluestacks.